Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to another quick video. This is like a repair cafe sort of video. So I had a Shure SRH 840 set of headphones. They were pretty good in terms of sound, but there was this little part that broke off, this little thing here. It broke, connected to this. It broke, and then it even goes inside, and it's a trouble to get it back out. But I don't care because it's already removed. This side is already removed. So I ordered this replacement part from AliExpress, and it seems sturdy enough. So thing you need to do to get this removed is to remove the ear thing, which is really easy. Just pull it and it comes right off. It attaches itself to this little indentation that it has, so it's really easy to take out. Then you have 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3, that you can remove it, and then it exposes this side. Then again 4 more screws that you can remove, and you expose the other deeper side. This one is empty. The other one on the left side actually had little board there that does the output channeling, and the magic is on this piece itself. The speaker is here, so you'll need to desolder these 2 connections and solder the other ones. I'm going to show you the left side first. So this one I already soldered everything back together. It's already ready to screw back in. So on this one in particular, let's see if I can show it to you closer to the camera. I didn't have to touch this side at all. I just had to desolder these 2 here, and the wire goes through the little hole. Get out of the way. Goes through that little hole, so it's different from the Shure themselves. It goes through the hole, so it's easier. Just thread it in, screw these 4 back in, and then you are ready to desolder these and solder the new ones. So I'm gonna screw this back in, and I should probably wrap the video here because I don't want to go through all the soldering thing with everybody watching. But the idea is that I will have to do the same thing for the left side speaker and desolder these 2. Be careful to make sure that the brown is the ground and the red is the red, and yeah, to put everything back together. The screws are pretty much the same size, so not much worry there. And yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this up and give it a test and then see how it goes.